Okay, let's start our topic. How to tax deduction work, then why denoting a car. Okay, denoting your car to charity can result in significant tax saving if you include it is in charitable contribution deduction. The result revenue service requires you to calculate your tax deduction in 1 hour of two way depending on the how to charity uses your donations, etc. And how to tax deduction your work. Overview. Denoting your car to charity can result in significant tax saving. It means it is depend upon selling about cars. To charity deduction for a car that has a charity sale and limited to the sale prices, even the car's fair market value is higher. It means market value when increased, then we can sell our cars in charity. If the sale prices of your donating vehicle is less than 500 dollars, you can deduct $500 on your car fair of market value wherever it is less. If the charity sell the car at a significant disconnect discount to the needy individual or keep the car for its once use, then you can claim a deduction for the car fair market value. Charity are typically required the report the sales prices of your cars to from charity deduction. Denoting your car to charity can result in significant tax saving if you include it in your charitable contribution deduction. The Internal Revenue Service IRS require you to calculate your tax deduction in one or two ways. Okay, depending on how the charity uses your donation. Two ways. Deduction for car, the charity sale are limited to the sale prices means charity prices are limited. It means boundary prices. Okay. In most other cases, you can use the car's fair market value. Here, four simple steps and tips to help you understand and claim a tax deduction for your donation cars on your rent tax rent. Step number one, find out how much the charity sold out the car for. Means how much charity can pay for this cars. Okay. Use the car charity sale your cars for as the amount of your deduction. For example, if the charity sell the car at action for $300, $3,000, your deduction is limited to 3,000. Even if the fair market value is 45, means if your car value is 45,000, then you will receive $3,000 from charity. Step number two, determine the car's fair market value. To estimate your car's fair market value to calculate your education, the IRS suggested that you can use a reportable use car price guide. Consider consulting the Keely Blue Book My Car's Value online tool for example, search the private party pieces for your vehicle based on its make, model, and our overall conditions. Step number three, claiming the deduction. How to claim your payment? Okay, in order to claim a deduction for your denoting, it means you. In this case, you will receive a less value than actual value of market value. Okay, so donating you need to have documentation of your donation. At a minimum, the documentation you receive from the charity need to include for documentation which requirement you need your name, the vehicle identification number means your plate number, and the date of your donation on which date you are donating, and a statement describing of any good or goods mean your product, okay, and services you receiving in return of further donations. Report the amount of your deduction on schedule A, since you can only claim a deduction for your car donation if you itemize the total of your eligible deduction on schedule A. Typically need to exceed the started deduction amount of your filing status. Step number four, additional form you will need. if your car donation deduction is more than $500, if your deduction is between $501 and $5,000, you need to complete action 1. So after this step we will see the section 1 and section 2. If your deduction is greater than $5,000 and you complete section C B. If you complete section B, then you also need written documentation.